morning, everybody. This is a Hangar drone from Argentina. Today I'm going to show you this product, the Parrot Disco AG. This is a product from Parrot. Initially they had the Parrot Disco, and then they incorporated a multispectral camera, Parrot Sequoia, and they create this product, Parrot Disco AG, for agriculture. I'm going to show you the simplicity of this drone, how quick it is to assemble it, and you will find that it's awesome. First, you have this backpack, very handy. It's just perfect. You can carry this drone everywhere very easily, especially when you are in the farm. You just disassemble it, you put it back in the inside the backpack, and you walk to the next field, and in 5 minutes it's almost ready. So I'm going to show you how fast you can assemble it and have it ready for takeoff. First, we have the rack here for the iPad, and now we take the remote control. We install the rack here. It's just a little screw. Today the weather is not the best, but for the purpose of showing you the product, it's just fine. Okay, this rack also comes for you can use a phone. Just press and turn it 90 degrees, and then you can put your phone here. I prefer the iPad. So we're gonna fly a small field just to show you how the drone works. Okay, here's a fuselage, folding props. This motor is awesome. It's so small but so powerful, unbelievable. So inside we have the Parrot Chock. This is the autopilot with all the sensors, air data computer, accelerometers. The two servos goes in here, the battery, the camera connection, and the motor connection. Camera is the Parrot Sequoia. It's a very small camera. It's just very good. It comes with an RGB camera and 4 different bands cameras for the multispectral. This is the pitot tube for the to sense the speed. So the air goes through that little line there and goes to the air data computer. It also is the on-off button. It has two functions. Anyway, let's put the wings together. I like this way, the way that the servos connect to the ailerons. It's perfect. It's so easy. And okay, airplane ready. I'm gonna turn it on, and we turn on the remote control. We turn on the iPad. It does a few tests, as you can see. Okay. We go here in project list. All right. I don't know if you guys can see, that's where we are. The little airplane. I'm gonna just turn around the final approach. because the wind is coming from a different direction. And I'm gonna change the mapping area. All right. All right, there it goes. I hope you guys can see it clearly. All right, it's ready for takeoff. Just press start. It's gonna do a few tests and have a green light for everything. It checks connect, camera ready, the firmware, mission upload, a lot of things before takeoff, just to make sure everything is set. And then just press start and it goes to a countdown. Grab it and it's ready. And there it goes. As you can see, the takeoff is just fully automatic. I'm showing you the remote control there on the ground. And now it's gonna go for a turn where it actually goes in incline for the mission altitude. The software is so friendly to use. Very simple. All right, it's doing a few turns more. And it's going to start the mission soon. All right, there it goes for the mission. As you can see, the gray dots are the camera shots. That's where it's taking the pictures. And then with all the pictures, we upload it to the agriculture software to create the orthomosaic and have all the mapping area in our computer to analyze the vegetation. Alright guys, I'm gonna come back for the landing once the mission is about to finish, so you guys can see how the drone performed for the landing. Alright guys, back again. Drone is about to finish the mission. Oh. Once finished the mission, is gonna fly for the final approach. Right now it's turning and it's gonna head down to the outbound for the approach. And it's gonna start descending for the final approach. Well, you see like a little circle there. It's gonna turn and get the altitude to intercept the final. All right. Now you'll see it coming. I'm gonna show you that I'm not touching anything. Just holding the remote control in case I need to adjust a little heading. It does everything automatic. Beautiful. It's a great machine. Awesome airplane. Awesome. This drone is actually for the small fields. It's perfect. Perfect. Unfortunately, I heard that it's been discontinued. I'm not sure, not 100% sure about that. because I've seen a few on sale in the market. It's a pity. It's a pity because it's a great product for small fields. And why for small fields? It's just endurance. It doesn't have much endurance. That's the only thing I found on this drone. Other than that, it's just perfect. Okay guys, this is Hangar drone from Argentina. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you guys a pleasant day. Thank you.